And home prices across the valley have now dropped for a second straight month.
Yeah, Las Vegas Realtors just released its report for July. The average price for a single-family home now $465,000. That's down more than 3% from June. Condo and townhome prices also dropped last month, about 3%. It's now the average price about $271,000. It's worth pointing out, though, both prices are still much higher than this time last year. It's still very expensive, relatively speaking. Las Vegas Realtors says, though, this is a sign prices are stabilizing as mortgage rates keep skyrocketing.